In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off suggested replies in Outlook. Navigate to the Settings menu in Outlook. You can typically find this option represented by a gear icon located at the top of the page. Within the Settings menu, look for the Mail section. This section houses various settings related to your email account, including composition, reading, and organizing emails. Click on Mail to access these settings. In the Mail settings, search for an option labeled Suggested Replies. This might be listed directly under Mail settings. Once you locate the Suggested Replies setting, you can see a toggle switch or checkbox next to Show Suggested Replies. To turn off suggested replies, swipe the toggle to the off position or uncheck the box, depending on the interface. And this action will disable the feature and prevent suggested replies from appearing as you view or respond to emails. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.